Almost ran right into the Jeep. That is one icy hill to be tobogganing on. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Casey, this is my Jeep, and today we are out shooting a snow wheeling video with our fellow YouTubers, Loki Lights. Candice and Eli are in Xena, the black Jeep that you've seen on this channel a couple times. They are just at the top of this hill right now. We're trying to get them down. They went first. They got stuck about halfway. The snow, when it compacts, basically turns into a sheet of ice. What it would normally be a fairly simple trail to get up and down has become impassable. And Eli, I think, is just guiding Candice down the hill right now. We're just walking up to check on them, but they're having to do it in reverse, which in the snow that is super slippery just adds a little bit more excitement to it. How did that start out?
It started pretty good, actually. It ended extremely slippery.
Extremely slippery.
We dug ourselves a pretty good hole up there. Man, we don't have a Warren winch, or we would have kept going. Oh!
A little product plug from Eli.
I feel like I have two of these winches that are dead.
Oh no, we won't name any names.
No, definitely not. But the next one will be a Warren.
We know what it isn't. So we kind of got into a bit of predicament. I slid off a bank when I was backing up here. And yeah, so now we got a winch out of here because with the amount of snow we have, pretty much can't do anything as far as traction goes. So a little snow recovery. Chris is just hooking us up to the tree, and we're gonna pull ourselves out with our Warren winch here in a second. All right, we're good. We got out, nice and easy. Little mistake. Winch worked great. All right, so this is how we're doing one of our shots. I am literally riding on the tire carrier right now while Chris gets towed behind the Jeep. Oh, stop.
There you go. Faster. Faster, faster, faster. Oh.
Stop. Woo. Just getting the shots. Woo!
I missed my jump.
dinosaur down. Whoa! How to capture a T-Rex. So we're just doing the dinosaur snowboard shot, and this is how we're resetting to save time rather than get them undressed. Oh, go on your own. Yeah, I don't know. We seem to have ripped one of the brake lines in here. So we're gonna have to tie this off somehow, yet to be determined. So we managed to clamp off the brake line. I used 2 clamps, double clamped it. The first one I tested, it's holding, then I put another one after it to double it down. Then I added I just kind of held this in place with some zip ties, kept my speed sensor back in place. And despite, other than this just pulling really hard to the driver's side, it has pretty good brakes for now. I don't think this is enough to head out, and I can still off-road pretty good. So that right there, guys, is a quick trail fix if you end up breaking a brake line. Oh, you butt! Oh! Go!
I didn't know snow could go that far up your pants.
I ate it. I officially ate it. That's how you eat it.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this week's video. A little behind the scenes of the snowboard action video that we had uploaded previously. Big thanks to Eli and Candice for coming out. Go check out their channel, Loki Lights, on YouTube as well, and Instagram. Great, awesome content over there. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, that would be awesome. And don't forget to turn on those notifications, obviously, so you can see when the next uploads go live on the channel. I do appreciate it. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I read all of them, and I will do my best to answer any comments you guys have. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next upload. So we're kind of stuck. We just slid off the trail a little bit. Doesn't take much on a day like today. And we're just gonna get tugged a little bit backwards, hopefully. Or not. There's so little resistance on the ground that this is idle without my feet on the gas. All right, we made her out. I can tell you the shovel that I have on the back gets so much use. I don't think I would ever get rid of that thing. Just moved a little bit of snow, was able to get down onto the dirt, and out we went. No problem. So carry a shovel if you're out in the snow or sand or dirt or pretty much anywhere. I love that thing.